New Ways of Working ATC India Field Operation Guidelines. Let's follow some guidelines for our own safety and for the safety of others before leaving for warehouse or field. Check and record your temperature. If your temperature is above 99°F, you're requested to continue working from home. Conduct a self-assessment on the ATC Wellness Tracker before leaving for work. Make sure that you have downloaded the Arogya Setu app and completed the self-assessment on the app. Please inform your manager if you stay in neither a red or containment zone, you have comorbidities such as pulmonary, cardiac or renal issues, diabetes, hypertension or obesity, you are pregnant, you're above 60 years of age. In such a situation, it is recommended that you work from home. If all is well and you're going to work, we recommend you wear clothing that covers as much of the body as possible, including your feet, socks and shoes. Wearing a mask is mandatory at all times. Keep at least one spare mask and a hand sanitizer handy at all times. Wear your ID card around your neck for ease of identification. Keep your laptop, charger, food, water bottle and cutlery in your bag and ensure that you hold minimal things. Avoid holding anything if possible. Please ensure that you comply with all the guidelines mentioned in the ATC India Remobilization Playbook, including those issued by the local authorities. Getting to the warehouse or field. Use your own vehicle to commute to work and observe all the related government guidelines. Avoid use of cabs or carpool or any other form of public transportation. Disinfect the door handle of the vehicle or bike handle, steering wheel, rear view mirror and any other surface you might touch before you start your vehicle. It is recommended to wear a mask when riding a bike for your safety, and since the transmissibility of viral particles is still unknown, it is preferable to allow fresh air to come into your vehicle once in a while. Ensure social distancing norms in the car park. Once you alight from the car, ensure that you sanitize your hands. Before entering the warehouse. At the entry point, please cooperate with the security personnel for the entry screening process. This is for your own safety. Please maintain a distance of at least 6 feet from others at all times. You will be screened for temperature using a non-touch infrared thermometer. You will also have to display your safe status in the Arogya Setu app to qualify for entry into the warehouse premises. Use of biometric device to mark attendance is prohibited till further notice. Mark attendance via ATC Connect. Please observe the social distancing signages and floor markings at all times. Use the foot pedals to open the doors. Use Namaste to greet all. No handshakes, please. When you cough or sneeze, use the inside of your elbow or use a tissue and discard it immediately in a closed bin. Use of PPE such as helmet, masks, hand gloves, reflective jackets and face shields is mandatory. Establish a material quarantine area in the warehouse. All fresh and site return material should be kept in the quarantine area for 72 hours before they are used again. Avoid any sort of gatherings in the warehouse. Maintain social distancing norms and signages while seated in the cafeteria. Avoid facing each other. Carry your own food. Avoid sharing food or snacks. Food deliveries are permitted, but make sure that you receive the couriers or deliveries at the designated spot only and it is contactless. Use foot-operated hand sanitizer machines available at all high-contact places. You are encouraged to wash your hands once every hour for at least 20 seconds and apply moisturizer to prevent dryness. Maintain a distance of 6 feet if you need to have a face-to-face meeting with anyone. Adhere to social distancing markings in the washrooms. Use soap and sanitizer dispensers provided in the premises. Do not hand over your phone or laptop or charger to anyone, nor touch anyone else's gadgets or accessories. Avoid touching your mouth, nose and eyes. Please do not touch surfaces like doors, knobs, etc. unnecessarily. Working in the field. Field teams must log into MWFM Mobile Workforce Management app prior to leaving for the site. Enable GPS while in the field or at the site and manually fill in the details of persons contacted in the MWFM app. When in the field, take extra precautions if you're in a containment zone. Sanitize your vehicle and tools before and after the site visit. Make sure that you dispose of the PPE properly after returning from site. Once you leave for home, inform your family when you're about to start for home from work. Sanitize your hands and phone before leaving your workplace. Remember to wash or sanitize your hands before you enter your home. Remember to sanitize your car keys, pen, phone and other personal items before you enter your home. You're encouraged to use the stairs instead of the elevator. While taking the stairs, do not touch the handrails or any common surfaces. And if in case you do, sanitize your hands immediately. If at all you use the elevator, follow the social distancing norms while queuing up for the elevator and also once inside it. Ensure that you face the elevator wall. Use your elbow or pen or toothpick or earbud to press elevator call buttons. And as a good hygiene, sanitize your hands immediately after exiting the lift. Don't touch the doorbell. Call your family over phone to request them to open the door. In case you touch the doorbell, sanitize or wash your hands immediately and sanitize the doorbell as well. In case you have to unlock the door yourself, sanitize or wash your hands immediately after unlocking. Do not touch any other surface or your body parts after touching the doorbell or the door lock. Maintain social distance from your family members till you take a bath. Immediately take a shower after reaching home and put your clothes for washing. Do not allow anyone to touch your clothes. Do not keep your clothes on top of any other clothes or objects like table, chair, etc. It is not only important to follow safety guidelines during your home routine, but also beyond work to keep your families, especially the elderly and children, safe. Additional safety measures. Avoid any public gatherings. Do not visit high footfall areas like restaurants, malls, etc. Carry your own bags while shopping. Avoid cash transactions and encourage e-payments wherever possible. Even when at home, please ensure that you comply with all other guidelines and protocols issued by the local authorities. Safety, health and hygiene. Don't dismiss mild rise in temperature. Consult a doctor. Please don't self-medicate if you find any symptoms, even with over-the-counter OTC drugs such as paracetamol. Avoid any domestic or international travel. Maintain 6 feet social distance in public areas, shops, ATM, etc. Do not use cloth towels in washrooms. Do not use saliva while flipping a book or file or documents or currency notes. Yours and your family's safety is in your own hands. Be a true embodiment of our company's values and ethics by adhering to all the government and ATC India remobilization playbook guidelines on COVID-19. ATC India Resources. ATC India's Central COVID Help Desk 931-953-9025. ATC India's Central COVID-19 Task Force at americantower.com. COVID-19 icon on the Outlook toolbar that enables you to report via email through a simple click. Stay safe, stay healthy. Together we will get through this.